24 minutes after 10 o'clock, we've got the team in the building. We all here. Sumizi, the Naked DJ, and we've got, most importantly, Anonymous. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. The sun is out in Gauteng. The question is it beautiful in their relationship for Anonymous? Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm well, and yourself?
Great, thank you. I love a straightforward lady. Anonymous. Oh, she laughs. I'm going to read the house rules and then we'll hear how straight the situation is. Maybe there's a bit of a bend. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, are you ready? Do you agree?
I agree, and I'm ready.
That's my girl. Talk to us. What's happening?
It's my turn, Bafazi Minjani.
It's my turn, Bafazi.
Let's go, Mbakato.
Okay, 42 years. I have 4 children, and I'm staying with 3. And one of them is a disabled child which has cerebral palsy. He is 12 years currently. And then I was married, got divorced 2021, and then I paused from 2021 to 2022 May, and then I met this gent who was saying all the right words and then what I wanted to hear, and then there was a baby also there, a baby girl. She's 3 now. 31st of May 2025, I caught him cheating red-handed. Unfortunately, I've got this thing of finding out. Before that, I will just have these dreams and see, and then eventually on the day I was sleeping, I had to wake up, take an Uber and go straight to where I was shown, and then boom. Then from there, the guy says, I apologize. I want to know Mark Tyson. Okay, fine. Then I ended it. Then I was like, okay, I'm okay now with guys. Let me just raise my children. Let me just make money and blah, blah, blah. 26th of May, 2026, I met this guy.
26th of May, 2026.
Come again?
26th of May, ne?
26th May, 2026. So it means it has been 12 months of Kalahari Dissect. You understand?
Yes.
So this guy says to me, he started seeing me in Feb. So now he fell in love with me, like just by looking at me and whatnot throughout the street when he was passing and whatnot. Okay, fine. Then we spoke, and then I started to, I don't know if, because also I wanted to hear if this is the Kalahari Desert talking, or is the heart, you understand? Uh-huh. So now, okay, I decided to give him a chance, right? The guy is 33 years. I am 42. He, the high school love, everything that I fell with my first person who broke me, my virginity. Like, he is romantic, the kind of music, the words, the way he treats me, and then there's just a few challenges of which I don't know if I am rushing, but I heard Naked said you must call us as soon as you are in a relationship, not later.
I love that. Yes, I love that.
So now, he's got a bit of a short temper, right? And then I would feel that this short temper, it has something, there's a root cause, sort of, either at work or maybe back on the other province where he's got the other family. So he would just shut down. He would just say, I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I just want to sleep. And then from there, when he is sleeping, he doesn't want to be woken up. Like, okay, I have those days, Nami, where I say, when I'm sleeping, I don't want to be woken up. But he's like, that in J, but he doesn't want to be woken up and everything, you see? So now I feel like these little problems of him shutting down now and then, are causing these constant fights. Okay, for an example, the other Saturday, I was there during the day and then I left. I went home to see the kids. Then later when I come in, obviously I've got the keys. I enter, he's there, he's cooking. The face is changing. I went to kiss him, but I'm like, okay, I don't know what happened. So I asked him, should I park the car or I should park at my place? Like, no, that person, he's going to call us and then we're going to open the space for him. But you could feel that the reception icon, like good hands. So I went outside, parked the car, and then come in. I said that he was like looking at the movie in the TV, like not even saying anything to me. I decided, let me just enter into bed, and I just slept. Woke up around 11. He's still on the phone. I'm like, oh, okay, that's him there.
Anonymous, can we stop it there?
Okay.
Woke up at 11, he was still on the phone. Let's hold it there. I'm going to go to, you know how we roll here.
Yes.
Where am I going to? Where am I going to? Nazoke. In our 10:30 headlines, Parliament's Impeachment Committee has confirmed receiving a letter from President Cyril Ramaphosa in which he's raised objections with its recommended evidence leader. A National Coloured Congress MP Fadele Adams has started to testify before the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. Details at 11. 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. I like Anonymous, man. She's on the line. If you're joining us right now, rather now than later. You're right on time. Anonymous is in her early 40s, has 4 children, including one who's living with cerebral palsy. She's divorced, tried dating, but found out that the guy was cheating on her. So she ended it. Fast forward to 2026. This is the 26th of May. She met a guy who's almost 10 years younger than her. They hit it off. She says he's been an amazing partner towards her, very romantic and caring. Her problem with him is that he's short-tempered, can never understand the moodiness all the time, and that's where we are. Anonymous, are we on the same page?
Yes, we are.
All right. 11 p.m. You wake up. He's still on the phone.
How about home?
How about home, girl?
Okay, let me just sleep. I don't want to ask questions and stuff. So I slept 60 minutes past 2 a.m. I'm woken up by this sound. I'm like, okay, is the music. To be exact, the song was the one that says, it's the end. I don't know, I forgot the name of the artist. So, and then there's other 4 songs that are following. I'm like, what is happening? Obviously now I'm awake. Where is he? He's here next to me, but he's having the phone, he's on TikTok or whatsoever, and then he's got his earphones, right? I'm like, okay, let me see, 2:30, 3 o'clock. 3:30, I wake up, I went to the shower, and then I passed. 4 o'clock, around 4:15, made some coffee, and then he woke up and said, oh, okay, are you going somewhere? I'm like, yes. Like, okay, this hour, I'm like, okay. He said, are you okay? I said, yes, I'm okay. I just don't want to fight. I just want peace. 4:45, I said, okay, bye, I'm going. So I went downstairs. I knocked for the other guy to open space for me because of my work currently is, I'm a driver. I don't want to give out a lot of information. I'm a driver who takes people from this point to this point. I think you understand. The one that is famous now, the smokers.
Yes.
Yes. So I went there. I went and just I started home, cooked Sunday because I think it was the 9th of August, if I'm not mistaken. The other past Sunday. I just cooked for them 6:15, 7, and then I got the first person. And then I drove the person to Tembisa. While I was on my way, he sent this message, hey, this constant fight, it's okay to pause and reset and look for advice, blah, blah. I said, I'm on my way. When I went, I'm like, you know what, you can never wake me up at 2 o'clock with your noise, with the music. Then from there, you expect me to be okay. Me being silent is saying I am okay with how you are reacting, but not near me. Right? So, fine, we talked, and then from there, after we talked, and then I went back to work. later, he called me. I went there. We spoke. Apparently, he had problems with the other side of the province. So now those problems, those problems are the ones that made him to wake up and do whatever that he did on that night, because apparently the other side, she was not home. She went to the parties. The kids were WhatsApping him. Blah 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 blah. So I'm feeling like his problems from the other side are affecting us, because I understand that he always work also on the road. He's always exhausted. Like I'm always on the road, I'm always exhausted. But I mean, when you are in a new relationship, or in a new relationship, or in a marriage, you'll make time. And I have been making time for him. Roses on the floor, you know, the lingeries, and I think he's seen that 3 times already, without any. Okay, on Father's Day he left. He went home. Like the other side, they said, hey, just come home. Then he said, hey, they are calling me. And then he went there. But during the day, he was video calling me, so he showed me that I pelabona or what I'm being called for. Like the kids are playing on the bed, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, okay, let me just cheer him up. When he comes back, he found those roses, there's yogurt, blah, blah. You know the story, Mos.
Yogurt.
Yes, Puto. Yogurt.
In terms of there's yogurt, there's strawberries, there's grapes, wine, all of that set up, candles on the floor.
Yes,
Okay.
So now I don't know if in terms of this short temper yake and his problem, because I did say, please share whatever that you are going through, so that I understand that why you are not okay, because of it's also boring, because now I have to reverse and rewind and say, what did I do today? What did I do to him? Of which I wouldn't have done anything. So I don't want this to go on for long. We spoke about it, and then he told me whatever that was going on the other side. He said, no, I don't want to tell you, because of I feel like you will be comparing. You understand? He says, he's here to stay, and wara, he loved me, and then, like, nje, ukhazekile, uthathekile.
Anonymous, you still there?
I'm still here.
Yeah, we're waiting for you.
Anonymous.
Hi.
Hey, you must join Ukhozi FM. You are a good storyteller.
Hi, boo.
You are.
I'm telling you, you are a good storyteller. You are specific with times, like seconds. Go 10:05, 31 July. Go 3:03, 26, and 26. Yo, are you good? Oh, good.
Injalo vele from Dala. So I just want, when I talk to somebody, I just want them to understand me.
Yes.
Whatever that I want to say to them before they can. You see, I know you guys have got a lot of questions, so that's why I'm just putting everything to clarity, so that when you ask questions, at least I've answered a few.
Thank you. And because of that, I don't think we have many questions. I want you to tell us exactly what you want us to help you with.
Okay. I think I forgot something. I've got spirituality. Abaphansi kunabantu engihamba nabo. You know the story lalela. Wait.
It's why ngakwenza ukuthi ube nabaphansi ngoba ngoniwe phansi.
Listen, you know why?
Bakudry phansi uvela uphathe nje abaphansi yonke into. Amadlozi manje sorry ngamadlozi.
These are the people of which now they always show me things ukuthi okay nakwenza la.
I know. You know, Sorgukat Anonymous, Sorgukat, like, I can relate to this. You know, I remember me, Nane, Banchel Guti in Edlozi. Olumtos Fazani.
Okay. El Tandi Ding Dong.
Ding Dong, yes. But it's Shelila.
Yeah.
But Ginetlos Fazan, El Sheli by the pelvic area.
Hayibo.
And lihlala linamapondo. In English manamapondo njani? Yebo. So ngajabula mina uthi angizenzi. Njoba ngiluso angizenzi. Ngiphethwe abaphansi.
Yes.
So ngiya understand now ukuthi mawuthi unabadala ne? Bafuna abadala.
No, I think what I wanted to add there, Somgaga, is that I've okay, I don't want to go back a lot. In my marriage, the person that I was with realized that, and then Wahamba, he went and did things to just close me. He came Papa Mango 2021 after the divorce, while we got married in 2007. Understand? So now he came and ngibona yonke into and ngiyahlambululeka and everything. So now this person also is so supportive in a way yokuthi ngakutshela ukuthi na last week I dreamt of a certain river bengayazi. We went to Google, we sihambe sayithole Hartebees the whole day, and then we had to hike again because of lapana abavuma ukuthi singene the west ngakhona. So now he is so supportive, he understands it. Apparently naye uma wakhe unako. So I mean, I'm like seeing similarities, okay, in terms of nje personality
spirituality as well,
and also on the other world.
That's nice.
So now uthi yena akasumuntu ojogayo, akusumuntu owokhayo mara siwokile u10 km fun sobabili saye sawufika kule ndawo enamanzi senza 1 2 3. So now I'm saying, so kulama similarities engiwabonayo, ne, is it because vele sengikule age ukuthi manje ngoba une short term, I'm like okay vele, because I'm able to do everything by myself, nobody's helping me. Loya baby daddy kusigijimisana ngama maintenance cost now nomntwana lo one disability. So I'm like, I'm able to try and push everything by myself. Like from even Namand, if I can just say, since 26 May, I haven't seen his cent, and I'm not expecting it. If it's there, it's a bonus, but I'm like that. I haven't even asked for anything for him. I am like that. So I'm saying, manje, kule short temper kancane sokumele nginese lokuthi yena ulwile ngale or ukwatiswa yini ngingena kuphi mina. So how do I move forward, because this is still very early and I don't wanna ngiyekele into ngothi mara ngayibone ekuqaleni, you understand?
Okay.
But this is just the problem engiyibona, and of which anything else it's super ke somkaka.
All right. So you've been together for how long? A year. Anonymous?
Ngisasekhona.
You've been together for how long?
How ngithi 26 May 2026.
You've been together with this guy 26 May 2026.
August. 3 months.
Guys, yes.
No.
Senihambe neintaba 10 kilometers barefooted in the bush.
Yes.
Sibuya nase kukuphi lapha eRandburg, like nje ma when like yo angazi like
eRandburg bedenzani?
I think remember ukuthi some listings uzobonisa uzobizwa ngithi okay, you need to do 1 2 3. So then I went there because of I needed ukuthi ngiyongena emanzini. So the one that I knew ebenyazi futhi na is safe mangihamba ngedwa, because I used to go nabantu besonto. Then is that one the Delta one.
Okay,
so I went there. Ngalahleka mina ngithi ngazi ngokubona ngajwayelanga udriver le. Why ngifunisa wona saze sayithola.
Okay. Next time ungitshele kunemfula estate yami.
True.
Yes, kunomfula. Uzona Anonymous. Mamela ke, so all of this in 3 months, Anonymous. How old is he? 33.
And she's
And I'm
42.
42.
You are 42.
Ben 10. Ben 10 like.
Oh.
Come lucky.
What do you think, Naked? Nothing.
Maru amazing shem. Amazing.
Amazing
everything.
Kuphi?
Ayibo, sofuna ngisho manje.
Isho.
Oh, in bed.
Empedeni.
She wanted to say the Kunantra.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the thing. He has a short temper, but he got a long penis. Short temper, but he got a long penis.
And let me tell you, he made me discover everything. You see the waterfalls, I never knew that I had those.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to your tandamazi.
Too much.
I think umdawo wena ne? Eh?
So means I'm not sure ngithi ngisasendleleni yokuhamba ngisayifunisisa kahle lento, so angifuna ukuzibeka ngithi
yeah, umdawo abantu bamanzi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So you are not a queerer, but a squirrel. So discover waterfalls. Anonymous excitement is physical. Yeah, excitement is physical siswam. And on the real kunama red flags amaningi la. Ama red flags amaningi kune silent treatment, which is an abusive trait. Do you understand ukuthi umuntu makuphi silent treatment I abuse leyo?
Kahle kakhulu.
Yebo. So ukupha ama silent treatment angithi? Yeah, that's a form of abuse, and it's worse than any other form of abuse.
Yeah.
Silent treatment, because you end up questioning yourself, doubter, low self-esteem, insecurities.
I mean, this guy's in your bed, or you guys are spending time in bed, but instead of ukuthi atofoze wena, he's busy utofoze phone the whole night on TikTok.
But he's a child.
33.
Yes, he's a child.
Yeah, that incident happened. It was just so this I'm like, So manje, if this is gonna go on, I can't deal. I'm like,
have you introduced him to your children?
Yes. If he has things that are bothering him, but he's not supposed to take it up on me because of. And then after that, he want somebody who's not okay, and then in a few hours also, manje, he's bouncing like a ball. Everything is fine. He's going back to that being romantic, singing, touchy, and then what is happening here?
Yeah, he sounds like a person who's also dealing with a lot, you know.
That's what I'm suspecting.
No, I'm telling you, man. He's dealing with a lot, and Anonymous, you're moving too fast. You're moving too fast. For Sisongang Awenje, you're moving too fast. You've got 4 children. Why did you introduce him to your children?
So, Mizi, life begins at 40. Please don't say to her for a person of her age. Life begins at 40.
You know, I saw a text from a friend.
Of course.
Yes.
They texted you, so obviously.
No, it could be from a stalker.
Okay.
Oh. I saw a text from a friend that said, when you are hungry, the stomach alerts you. Right? But when you are stupid, the brain doesn't alert you.
I undrix, man.
Okay. So we understand, Anonymous.
Hi.
We understand that you should. No, you're about to 40. Sometimes you can be 40,
42,
but ingqondo ingabi khona. Because
help me because I don't know if I'm not balancing some way.
Yes,
no,
Anonymous.
yes, like sometimes we need to not intellectualize things, but to use our
what?
intellectualize.
Okay.
Right? If my intellect,
Okay, intellect. Okay, now I get you. Okay.
Yes. You need to be wiser. Not even smarter. Wisdom needs to kick in.
Okay.
And in your case, I don't think you are using that talent. We all have the talent of being wise. But some choose to use it and some choose not to use it.
I think the whiz is making her dumb.
Iwizian.
I should say she must have
Wisdom.
Yeah, she's learned waterfall.
Who is the waterfall?
So it's the whiz
Exactly.
that's making her dumb.
Anonymous, stop it. Umdala, man.
Sbancane ama-40s.
No, umdala. Anonymous. You've got 4 children. 4 How old is the oldest one?
18, but I disowned him. I don't count. Angisambali nje.
Ish.
Uyabona ukuthi kuningi kanjani empilweni yakho Anonymous? Kuningi siswami. There's a lot. You need to go back to the drawing board. There's a lot siswami. And first things first. You know, it's another story again. We can't get into it with why you disown your child. We don't have time. But Sisi, ngicela go back to the drawing board. You shouldn't have introduced this guy to your children. It's way too soon. And you've got a child that needs 10 times more attention, your attention. And ubhizi unakene nobaba omdala onama moods. That's very careless and selfish of you. Do right, Siswam. Do right. Focus on being a mother. And don't worry about how long it takes. No one ever died from abstaining and engaging in sexual activities for the right reasons. No one ever died. Stop listening to your kunantra. Use your brain. Use your brain. Please.
But that's, you know, but that's the thing. You know, we all have these needs as human beings.
These what?
Needs.
Yeah.
You know? Now, here's a 42-year-old that's experienced something for the first time. Right? But she knows it's coming from the wrong source.
Yes.
Which is this guy.
Yeah.
But now Anonymous is scared to let this guy go. Because she can see it's 3 months. And Anonymous, come on. You know there's nothing there. This is not the first man you've dated, Aker. Dalujol, I'm sure from when you were a teenager.
Unfortunately, Tina, I grew up in those rural areas where you respect yourself and then you see your baby daddy or Kala to be the first one, and then from there, like as I'm saying, I paused and I was paused at 2 years in jail without even entertaining, without even talking to anyone or flirting. Like I switched off.
Yeah. So when did you stop respecting yourself? Because I'm sure you grew up in areas where you respected yourself. So when did you stop?
I think if I may to say, maybe what happened with my son that left me because of he was coming in between the maintenance issue of me and his daddy. So
Anonymous,
what he did, so I think that made me to like maybe not care and like be selfish. Okay, now this is what I want to do.
Anonymous.
So
it's time to go back to respecting yourself.
Okay.
And respecting that you're a mother, respecting that you're a human being, respecting that you're a woman that needs to give her love, that needs to give love to her kids. Because this thing at 3 months in nonsense, Anonymous. I think if you had a daughter that was 18 or in her 20s, you'd give her that same advice. Like, let go of this nonsense.
Yeah.
You're hanging on to it just because he can take you to a place where no other man has taken you before. And I also have a problem with people that don't know their own bodies. What do you mean at 42, this man was the first person to teach you how to squirt?
Oh, naked.
Why didn't you know what your body can do?
As I said, remember with some of this.
Have you used toys?
Why can't she answer, guys?
No, I'm not. We are not asking for answers anymore.
Yeah, Naked, have you asked her if she's used toys before?
She's definitely not used toys before because she didn't even know that she could make her own waterfalls.
Yeah.
Anonymous, I have a problem with the fact that you don't know your own body.
Yeah.
And a lot of women have that same problem that you have. And then umuntu uzokutshela, this one can't even make me. If you can't make yourself do certain things, then a man that doesn't know you must meet you and be able to do things with your body that you don't even know that your body is capable of doing. That is tande, Sisi. Just love yourself. Go back to that person that used to respect herself. Go back to your rural ways and then you'll be okay. Lento ye 3 months, let it go. Even if you never learn even if you never make waterfalls again, it's okay. You've experienced it, it's gone. But you can't be treated like a clown just because they can make you make waterfalls. Come on.
Amen.
You're a mother. Umdala. Like imagine now your kids, hey, mama, why bam treat her so? It's because mama, loya mfana uBenten wakhe knows how to make her make waterfalls. Sis,
peace and naked.
Don't go chasing. Yeah, man.
Peace. Yeah.
Anonymous, we're going to leave it right here now. We're going to leave it right here. Let's get more advice now, Anonymous.
Thank you so much.
We love you, man. Unali vibe.
Thank you so much, guys. I love you.
We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. South Africa, what advice do you have? 086,000 2160. Give us a call. 060 552 7303. Your voice notes. Here we go. It's TLC Waterfalls. 4 minutes for you to give advice to Anonymous. Let's go to the phone lines. Shabiso out in Joburg. Good morning, Shabiso.
It's Shabiso.
Yes, I said Shabiso. Yes, Mama.
Kunjani ba?
Good, thanks in yourself.
Hayi ngiyaphila uAnonza man. Uqale sekamdala ukushibisa. Ayikho lento. Athi squeezer for two. Hey.
All right, Mama. Thank you very much for the advice. Let's head on over to Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning, Kuz, and good morning from Gaga and Quentin.
Hey.
I just want to say to Anonymous that at her age, at 42, sometimes one will want to make up for the time that they have lost, because we don't even know in the marriage that she was coming from. How was the marriage from 2007 to the time when they got divorced? So she may want to make up because now she's experiencing new things, after, trials and tribulations of the marriage that she was in. But I want to say to her that it is time actually for her to reconnect with herself before she can even consider to want somebody to, close the gap or the space. Anonymous needs to find herself again. This thing I had to go to the rivers and into the waterfalls and whatnot. It's time for her to go and fetch her own spirit, reconnect with herself, build a relationship with herself first, because you can never expect people to love you when you don't love yourself. Love begins with yourself, and respect also begins with yourself.
Sure.
So she must work on herself and to know who she is. The silent treatment is the worst form of abuse.
Amen.
If a person is giving you that, it means that person does not want you in their space. So you must leave, because there's nothing that you can do. If they're not giving you a reason, why are they treating you silently? Because you're supposed to be their safe space. If they shut you out, it means they don't want you. So Anonymous must just build a relationship with herself first, because when she approaches or when she gets approached, she will be in a better space to know, am I here to stay or not? Is this nonsense or is it a true thing for me? It's
Amen.
because Hannah has a relationship with herself. She doesn't love herself. She doesn't respect herself. And it begins with her.
Thank you.
Time for her to focus on herself and her children only.
Thank you, Sissy.
Thank you very much, Anonymous. We got a comment here from La Parzito saying she managed to disown her own blood, but she can't let go of a 3-month relationship. Make it make sense. I'm going to play a voice note. Let me squeeze this one in.
Hi, Metro. Hi,
Hey.
Metro. It's me, Anonymous, here in Springs. What I'd like to say to Anonymous, I've been there. Dating a younger guy, I've been there. So please, dlala, ungathi uba serious. All I can say is dlala. Futhi wenze mistake ukuthi wazisa abantwana bakho. You've made a huge mistake. You should just play. Not take things seriously. Those people, no. Mm-mm. It's wrong. Ehambe kahle sis. Uzokujikela umntana omncane, uzokujikela akutshele the way umdala ngakhona. So please.
Amen.
James.
A quick one. Something happened yesterday. I was in Fortsburg, and this guy came, like I was walking past, and then he followed me talking, right? A homeless guy, you can tell. And he said, so easy, you guys, what you're doing there on Ask a Man. I'm like, okay. But he said something funny, but I could easily be offended. He said, people can think you're a Mampara. Can't you are very intelligent? The things that you say on that show. You and Naked are doing amazing work. And then I got into my car, and then as I drive, I approach him again and said, where? Because where do you listen to Ask a Man? He says it starts at 20 past and it ends at 11. And sometimes you guys talk for a minute over.
Wow.
And don't ask any questions. I listen to Ask a Man.
Wow.
That's how big the show is.
We are 1 minute past 11. He's right.
Amanqampu.